See, Turing thesis. Next topic. Turing is a scientist. In 1930, he has given a thesis. It is not a thesis, it is a hypothesis. So, what is a hypothesis? Hypothesis is an idea that is suggested as the possible explanation for something but not found to be true or correct. Okay, means hypothesis is assumption. Assumption means something that you can accept is true even though you have no proof. Okay, means he made a statement and till today from 1930 to 2020 there are various arguments that he is right or wrong, but no one is able to prove that he is wrong. No one is able to prove that he is wrong, so we started to believe that he is right and we started to believe that he must right. Okay, now see, Turing thesis. What is a Turing thesis? What is the assumption? What is the idea given by him? First is one is a Turing machine is as powerful as computer. This is the hypothesis given by Turing. Turing machine is as powerful as computer. Means if you say Turing machine is a powerful as computer, means Turing machine can solve all problem which computer can solve. Means every program which is written on computer is implemented by Turing machine. Okay, all the problem which computer can solve, we can solve it using Turing machine also. Okay, if you come up with any problem for which there is a program in a computer, but for that particular problem Turing machine does not exist, if you can do that, then we can say that Turing machine is wrong. But till now no one is able to come up with such a problem which computer can solve but Turing machine cannot solve. Okay, so we started to believe that Turing is right. Okay, means his hypothesis is right. Okay, this is all about the Turing thesis. The next problem is post correspondence problem. Okay, thank you.